How to unlink WhatsApp from Facebook. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unlink WhatsApp from Facebook. In order to do so, first of all, open your WhatsApp business application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this chat page. Here in this page at the top right, you will be able to see three dots icon. Simply tap on the three dots icon and then from the list, here select the settings option. Once after selecting the settings option, you will be taken to the settings page. Here you will need to find the option business tools. Once you locate this option, you will need to simply tap on it and here inside you will be able to see the option or the section reach more customers. Under it, here you'll be able to see the option Facebook and Instagram. Simply tap on this option and here in this page you'll be able to see if your Facebook is connected to your WhatsApp or not. If it is connected, you can simply tap on this arrow icon next to your Facebook and then in this page, here tap on the three dots icon at the top right. Once you do so, there you will be able to see the option Remove WhatsApp. Simply tap on this option and then a pop-up will appear. Here it says if you continue, this will remove the WhatsApp button from your Facebook page. If you agree with that, go ahead and tap on this remove option in order to confirm. By doing so, you will need to wait for a while and after that you will see you have successfully removed WhatsApp from your Facebook. Now it no longer shows you WhatsApp icon in your Facebook page. So by following these steps, you should be able to unlink WhatsApp from Facebook. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.